Most people build website using AI but never make it live. In this video, I'll show you how to make your anti-gravity project from code and deploy that portfolio website in a minute. And this is a random project I built using anti-gravity. Now let's make it actually live on internet using GitHub and Vercel with the free domain or your own custom domain. So let's get started. This entire portfolio website is built using anti-gravity. Now we're gonna host this, but for that, let's move this code to Visual Code Base. So let's move that. Come to files and select the open folder and pick that file that contains all the code. Here you can see we have all the files like the source. When you come to source, we have component, layouts, sections, UI, and so on. So our goal is to make this website live. For that, we need to push the whole code to GitHub. When you do that in manual way, like going to GitHub and add the repository and drag the whole file to the new repo, then it gonna show error because it's a huge code, right? There is a limit to how much you can push, and that's also something we're gonna solve using Visual Code Studio. So here, make sure how you have installed the git bash, and after that go to Chrome, open the GitHub, and here go to repos and then new repo. Here add a repo name. So here I have added this name. If you want to add a description, you can add that here and choose the visibility as public or private. I'm gonna be selecting as private here, and then go to turn on the readme and then create a repo. And just like that, we have created the repo. Now all we need to do is push the code to this repo. For that, I'm going to just copy this link and then go to Visual Code Studio. All I'm going to do in the chat is just say to push the code to our repo. So here I'm going to just say push this code base to our GitHub repo and the link of the repo where we want to push the code, and then I'm gonna add the link here, and this is the link we copied, and this is the repo link. Then I'm gonna just send, and this gonna ask you some questions for just allow all, and then it's gonna push that code to your GitHub repo. Just like that, Visual Code just pushed our code to our GitHub, and this is the link. And here I'm gonna just go to Chrome and just refresh the page. And as you can see, we have all the code here. Now let's just host this in Vercel, and you can either go to hosting and host there, but here I'm going to just show you how to host in Vercel. So come over here and add a new project, and then here you can see there is our repo, and just import. Here all you need to do is deploy, and just like that, we have local hosted the whole website to our Vercel. Here you can go to the dashboard, and here's the link. You can go here, and the domain is just changed as vercel.app. And here, if you want to add a custom domain, all you need to do is just add here. And if you have an existing domain name, you can add it right here, or you can buy one. Simple as that. Just like that, you can make your portfolio live. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment please.